Thank you for your purchase of Funride Razor Tricycle. This tricycle comes with unique features of safety and comfort. Comfortable leather seat, leather backrest are some of its unique features. This tricycle is easy to assemble in just a few steps. Step 1. Insert axle into the main body and place rear wheels to both sides. For safety, lock the wheel with pins and cover it with cap. Step 2. Insert front wheel to the main body. Lock it with the handle clamp. Also cover it with handle cap. In the next step, attach backrest to the main body and lock the same with the help of a screw. Your beautiful Razor tricycle is now ready to ride. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.